Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow, healthy homemade recipes. Today, we're making braised pig's trotters with peanuts and soybeans. Pig's trotters, also known as pig's feet, is a well-known cut used in various traditional dishes in China and other countries around the world. I understand some people may feel the ingredient is rather strange. However, if you know how to cook it, you will realize how delicious it could taste. The trotters are rich in collagen, which enhances skin elasticity, so it is seen as a beauty food by many Chinese ladies. Convinced? Let's start. Soak the peanuts and soybeans in water for about 2 hours. Rinse and clean the trotters. Soak in cold water, bring it to boil, and simmer for 10 minutes. Rinse and clean the trotters in cold water. Put the trotters in a slow cooker. Add the rejuvenated soybeans and peanuts. Minced ginger, scallion, cooking wine, star anise, dried bay leaves, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt. Then the secret ingredient, soybean paste. For your reference, I added a link in the description field. Then rock candy. Sugar is fine too. Add enough water to soak all the ingredients in. Mix a bit to push everything under the water. Cover the lid. Slow cook for 4 hours. Four hours later, move all the cooked ingredients into a pot. Turn the heat to high to condense the sauce, which takes about 20 minutes. Then time to serve. The trotters are very tender, soft, and rich in flavor. The peanuts and soybeans are soft too and soak with the flavorful sauce. No wonder Chinese people favor this dish so much. It can be served with rice or noodles. Well, we're reaching the end of the video again. Hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you around.